Well, with that, we welcome you into News Channel 11 at 11 o'clock on this Friday. Good evening. I'm Josh Smith.
I'm Sarah Diamond. In less than an hour, mask mandates will expire in 3 Northeast Tennessee counties.
And county mayors in Washington, Carter, and Unicoi counties decided to allow those face covering mandates to expire at the end of today. Ansley Daniel found out some are questioning the decision.
Josh and Sarah, Washington County Mayor Joe Grandy says that he trusts people to do the right thing and continue wearing their masks, but some fear that dropping the mandate sends the wrong message.
I feel like it's the wrong thing.
Some people in Washington County are concerned about the mask mandate being lifted.
It's the wording. Mandate has a little more force to it, and people are more likely to wear the mask if they're mandated.
While leaders in the 3 counties are still requesting that people wear masks, the owner of Crystal Raven in Jonesboro says enforcing the mandate on their own was already a challenge.
We've already been dealing with that battle already throughout the whole mask mandate. I feel like that's going to increase now. As a store owner, I will still continue to require masks to enter the store.
But Washington County Mayor Joe Grandy says not much will change after midnight on Friday.
Anyone who owns a business that wants to require people coming into their business to wear a mask, they have the ability to do that.
The medical director for the Northeast region still recommends mask wearing. He said in part, in the absence of a statewide mask mandate, local mask mandates encourage businesses and the public to do the safe thing and protect those most vulnerable in our communities. Lisa Carter, the CEO of Niswonger Children's Hospital, retweeted News Channel 11's post about the ending of the mask mandate. She wrote in part, "I'm just nauseous. Your healthcare workers are still in the process of catching their breath." Ballot Health's Chief Infection Prevention Officer Jamie Swift said on social media Friday that she was pleading with the people to continue to wear masks. But Grandy believes people will continue to do the right thing.
Changing the mask requirement to a mask request is merely a vote of confidence, really, in the citizens of Washington County.
Mayor Grandy said Washington County is opening up vaccination appointments to those who are 65 and older on Monday. He says that will give about 7,000 more people the opportunity to be vaccinated in the county. Sarah?